Today we'll be analyzing Nifty Bank Nifty for 4th uh, October, that is on Wednesday. So if you see for Bank Nifty, we had this triangle going on. So if we zoom in here, we had this triangle. We had this up move. It was a false breakout. It came down and then again took resistance from this triangle and is taking resistance from this particular trend. Now we had this trending, then a volatile. If we now see it in 5 or 15 minutes, so there is a sideways completely. We had sideways, so there is a higher chance that we can see a trending market in 1 or 2 days. So tomorrow is expiry, so for me the best thing would be, so if you see this was a sharp uh, down, so tomorrow if we get a gap up and then if it starts falling down, then that is the best place to sell at the top and then hold it uh, till the end of the day. We might expect a closing below these levels, or else even if it opens flat and gives a fake breakout, even then we can enter Bank Nifty. So for tomorrow, if you see, if this is like almost like a flag in Poland flag, so whatever length this is there, so uh, we might get the same length on the downside. So if you exactly somewhat roughly if you see also, so this will be our pole flag. So if you duplicate this one, somewhere around 44,000 target, so this is a higher chances that we might see 44,000 levels. So if we get a flat or slightly gap up and somewhere near this trend line, or if it breaks out of this one and then we see a false breakout, then we can enter and see a downward. So buying will happen only above this level of 44,000, 550, 580, above these levels. So right now we'll be looking for selling on every rise. If you see Nifty, even Nifty has broken down, even it has closed, sorry, it broke this previous uh, level, and then the closing is also on to the lower side. For this one, if you see, we had this Poland flag and this almost there, the flag is almost broken out, so we might expect a move in Nifty also. So if you expect it around 19,300, we see that in daily. So we had an inside candle and this is looking like a breakout of that inside candle. The only not great part of this candle is there is a wick. So if you see, there is a wick in this candle, so that is the only concern. Otherwise 44,300 levels to 300, somewhere here 300, 350 levels we can expect it. If you see even Bank Nifty also, so Bank Nifty we had a fall, then continuously it is trading in this particular range only. If it breaks now, we might see this levels taken out pretty soon. So if you see in weekly also, we had a sharp sell off halt, then if it breaks this level 44,200, so in this week we might see 44,900, 800 levels. Nifty also same case. Nifty has actually broken down of this particular low, but the closing is above this level. That is the only concern. But the selling should be fast, should come to this level pretty soon, 44,300 levels, very soon. So this level will act as a resistance, 19,582. This particular level will act as a resistance. So even if it moves higher, until unless that level is taken out, we are not looking for any long opportunities. We will be looking for selling opportunities only. So if you see in daily, or else if you see Nifty IT, Nifty IT has already fallen a lot. So here it is. So this has fallen. Now it is being traded in this particular range. So this is a big range. So it is trying to move in this particular range. If you see this one in daily, so we add this. So we add this upside move. This gap was acted as a resistance. Then it spent some time in this particular level and moved higher. So again, it might spend some time here. So tomorrow Bank Nifty might fall and Nifty IT might move a little higher and hold that uh, upside level, so that Nifty will be falling a little bit slowly. If you see Nifty, this all levels are little support regions. So you see wick. So all these levels are buying regions. So either it should uh, for every bottom it will see a support, wait for some time and then break down. So Bank Nifty, I'm expecting a smooth or a directional move, but in Nifty the movement might be a little bit choppy. And also tomorrow is Bank Nifty's expiry. So on Friday whoever sold C's would have covered it, or else would have rolled it down. So there might not be a lot of PE sold, but there will be a lot of C sold. So in the morning only, if you get any upside movement, that is for selling, so that people can sell C even more, and then market can move lower by end of the day. Now if you see HDFC Bank, it has broken out. So it was holding this level, and now we see a clear breakdown. So this level it was trying to hold. We have a clear breakdown over there. Even ICICI Bank is some sort of looking like a doubled up. Axis Bank is the only bank that is moved higher. We see a rejection here. So tomorrow if it moves higher than this level, and then if we see any false breakout, we can enter the Axis Bank for a short trade. Uh, Maybe even for a positional short also we can enter. We could see a target of 1000 at least by end of this week, or else by starting of next week. So if it moves higher, if it is a false break in this level, we might see in coming days. This would be a very sharp turn. So Kotak Bank has actually very weak. It's making lower. SBI is near the selling zone. So SBI is actually facing selling from this top level. So it came here, sell off, then again sell off. Again it tried to move ahead a little bit. Comparatively slower sell off. Again a sell off. Again it is trying to move up. So if Bank Nifty doesn't hold tomorrow, and if it goes for selling, even this might turn down and close somewhere near this lower level of 588 590 levels. IndusInd Bank is actually holding this breakout region a lot. So may be possible that it might give a sharp, very sharp down move and then again try to move higher if Bank Nifty breaks down. Otherwise, slow and steady, it might move up and we might see these levels again by end of the month. So if you see IndusInd Bank, SBI and Axis are the only three banks that are looking okay and maybe little bit positive. Kotak Bank is sort of neutral because it has already fallen. So chances of falling more is little bit less, but it can fall. But aggressive selling, I don't think so. Uh, uh, ICICI Bank also fallen. So if this let's consider this as the neckline. So this, if you see more higher, this is if this breaks down, whatever this level is there, you might see the same level around 900 levels pretty soon. HDFC Bank also same, it has broken out. So this level would act as a minor support. The major would be around these levels, around 1460, around these levels we might see some support. So that's it. If you finally see VIX, what is VIX doing? So India VIX is actually fine. In the morning it moved higher, then it is fine. From yesterday, from this is a bit tricky. If we see Friday evening, we had a severe fall, a very sharp fall. But India VIX has not risen, only today it has risen. So if it again moves higher, uh, 12.4 above those levels, then we might see a higher level. By maybe end of this month, we might even test out 15 or 16 levels by end of this month. These levels, if it breaks this candle's high, we can easily see that levels. So that's it. Thank you.